How to fix Instagram crashing problem. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram crashing problem. If you try to open Instagram, it is automatically turning off. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here, first of all, you just need to go to Play Store and then search for Instagram. Okay, after searching for Instagram here, you need to do one thing, that is make sure to update your Instagram. So here you can see the option to update. If you have this option, kindly update your Instagram from Google Play Store, or if you're using iOS, then go to App Store and update it. So after updating, just you need to restart your phone and then check it out whether the problem has been solved or not, guys. If it is not solved, then no need to worry. I have again another way how to fix this. You just need to click on settings, and then here after clicking the settings, just scroll down and go to apps. Okay, here you can see apps. Simply click on apps and go to app management, and then here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, here it is. Just click on Instagram and then click on storage usage. Just tap on storage usage and click on clear data and clear cache. After this, log in it and then you can check it out whether a problem has been solved or not. So now check it out. If it is again not working, then what you need to do is that you just need to delete your Instagram from your device. After deleting your Instagram from your device, um, uninstalling your Instagram from your device, you just need to reinstall it and then log in it, and then the problem will absolutely solve, guys. If it is not solved, then this is an official bug from Instagram. So you just need to wait for some hours. It will automatically fix. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.